Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Green color, sky blue color, pink color, brown color, orange color, black color, purple color, green color, yellow color, blue color, violet color and red color. Kids, इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे A, B, C. Let's trace. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. Let's trace. D. D for duck. Kids, this is letter A. Now we are tracing letter B, letter C. This is letter D. Now kids, we are tracing letter E, F. This is letter E, E. E for elephant. F. F for fox. Letter G. H. Kids, we are tracing letter G. G for goat. H. H for horse. This is letter I. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. I. J. Kids, we are tracing letter K. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. Kids, we are tracing letter K. This is letter L. Read again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.